Welcome student. So this is our next class. We have to start our conformation of cycloalkenes. Cycloalkenes. In the last class we have discussed about the acyclic alkenes, non-cyclic alkenes, that is ethane, butane and many more. And now we have to start with according to syllabus in included part cycloalkenes of a conformation of four 5-membered ring, 6-membered ring, 7-membered ring and 8-membered ring. This is 8-membered ring. So we have to check the conformation of this cyclic rings. So to check the stability of that ring, we have to take some parameters. Okay, so for that parameters, some are angle strains, torsional strains and steric strains. So these strains are there as per that strains in which molecule or which cyclic alkanes that strain present or absent. On the basis of this criteria we have to decide that this ring is more stable than this ring. So first of all we have to know about the that criteria, that angle strain. So let's start. So here compound with 3 or 4-member ring are not as stable as compound with a 5-membered 6-membered rings. The German chemist Bayer 1855 मध्ये first suggests that instability of this small rings compound was due to the angle strain. This is known as a Bayer strain theory. Bayer strain theory. So Bayer strain theory was based on the assumption that when an open chain of organic compound having normal bond angle, tetrahedral angle 109, this is tetrahedral angle, is converted into cyclic compound. This is deviation from a normal tetrahedral angle, leading to the development of a strain in a molecule. This strain is called as an angle strain or Bayer strain. Bayers assume that ring are planar. Okay, this ring, the cyclic ring or the cyclic ring, they are planar, means all the carbon molecules are in same plane. Okay, same plane. Bayer consider that. Assuming that ring are a planar, the angle strain is in various alkanes can be expressed in term of an angle of deviation. And on the basis of this, he considered that first all the planes, all the rings are planar. Okay, so while all the rings are planar, then he compare the planar molecule. Okay, planar cyclic chain with, just second, planar cyclic chain with their internal angles in between two carbons. Internal angles in between two carbons, this is the internal angle. So on the basis of this criteria, he compared this angle with a tetrahedral angle, and those molecule having angle more deviation than tetrahedral angle. More deviation means more distance from this tetrahedral angle, more distance or more difference from the tetrahedral angle. Those cyclic alkane are more unstable. More deviation, more unstable, and less deviation are stable. So he check the first internal angle of cyclopropane. That angle is 60 degree. Okay, that angle is 60 degree. So he compare with this tetrahedral angle. So he compare with this tetrahedral angle, and he found that deviation in between tetrahedral angle and 60 degree angle. How much deviation is there? Is 24 48 48 49 48 49 degree of deviation in between tetrahedral and 60-degree angle. And another four-membered cyclic chain, four-membered cyclic chain, cyclobutane. This is cyclopropane, this is cyclobutane. So in between this there is a angle, some angle, and this angle compare with this tetrahedral angle, and as we compare with this, it will shows that the cyclobutane chain has a first of all we discuss about the formula for deviation. Okay, deviation formula. So this is the deviation formula. D is the deviation, N is the number of a carbon of in cyclic ring, number of carbon in cyclic ring. So as per that, or this is another formula, alpha is internal angles. Okay, inner bond angle in cyclic ring. Alpha is the inner bond angle. Means if I take any cyclic, this is cyclopropane, so alpha is this angle represented by alpha. How much angle of cyclopropane is? Internal angle is 60 degree. So we have to put the 60 degree D. If I want to check the deviation in cyclopropane ring, then alpha having value 60 degree. Okay, 60 degree. So D is equal to half 109.5 minus 60. Then the angle strain is 24.75. Okay, 24.75. Remember this value, 24.75. So normal tetrahedral angle is this is normal tetrahedral angle. How much normal tetrahedral angle is? 109 degree. Okay, 109.5 degree. And our cyclopropane is like this. And here deviation is this much of deviation in both the side. This much of deviation. So this deviation is 24.75. Here also 24.75. So on the basis of deviation, he got compare with the cyclic rings, and he found that cyclopropane ring is very unstable because there is a much deviation. Okay, much deviation, 24.75. Let's check another deviation, cyclobutane ring. With cyclobutane means 4 cyclic carbon ring. Okay, there are 4 carbons. This first, second, third and fourth. 4 carbon is there. So this is N is the number of a carbon. We have to check the cyclobutane ring deviation. So D is equal to half under square 109.5 degree, and this will solve here. 2 into number of a carbon 4 minus 2 divided by 4. Okay, 4 minus 2, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 4 by 4, 1. Okay, 4 by 4, 1. So this equation come out 1. 1 into 90, 90. Okay, so 109.5 minus 90, then how much? 5. 9 minus 0, 9, and 10 minus 0, 1. 19.5. 19.5. Now 19.5 divided by 2. This 2. Okay, 19.5 divided by 2. 19.5 divided by 2. 2 nines are 18. 1.5. 2 sevens are 14. 1. 2 fives are 10. So 9.75. Deviation come out for cyclobutane ring is 9.75. Is 9.75. So this deviation is much lesser than deviation of a cyclopropane. Cyclopropane deviation is 24.75. So this is much lesser than cyclopropane, 9.75. So cyclobutane is stable than cyclopropane. Okay, cyclopropane is much less stable, and cyclobutane is quite stable than the as compared to the cyclopropane. So as the angle strain increases, angle strain means deviation increases. Okay, angle strain increases, deviation increases. Angle strain and deviation is directly proportional to each other. So as the angle strain increases, deviation also increases, and stability and deviation is inversely proportional to each other. As the deviation increases, stability will decreases, and stability increases, deviation will decrease. So here in the cyclopropane chain, deviation is 24.75, and in the cyclobutane chain, deviation is 9.75. So here if I check the stability over there, stability and deviation is inversely proportional to each other. So as the deviation increases, stability will decreases, and as the deviation will decreases, stability increases. So cyclobutane is more stable and cyclopropane is less stable. So to check the tetrahedral angle and the deviation between cyclopropane, this model we have seen here, and our formula is half tetrahedral angle minus 2. So formula is deviation is equal to half 109.5 degree minus 2 into n minus 2 divided by n into 90 into 90. So this half is for from both the side they are having deviation. From both the side they are having deviation. So for this is half is represent in our formula. So like this we have to check the deviation in between the cyclic ring. Okay, this cyclic ring, we already says that carbon single bond will rotate, but here also carbon and carbon single bond is there. But because of a cyclic ring, they get stuck. Okay, they get frozen, they cannot rotate itself now. And the actually carbon having tetrahedral shape. Okay, and the tetrahedral shape is 109.5 degree. But because of this cyclic ring, that bonds are strained. Okay, bonds are strained असे वाकवण्यात आले. हा मॉलिक्यूल तयार करण्यासाठी हे जे बॉन्ड्स आहे त्याचे वाकवून तयार करण्यात आले. त्याच्यामुळे प्रत्येक बॉन्डमध्ये एक स्ट्रेन आहे, कसला तरी एक डिस्टर्बन्स आहे. ओके, इट इज नॉट अ स्टेबल, इट इज क्वाइट अनस्टेबल बिकॉज ऑफ दिस एंगल स्ट्रेन. These are planar molecule and they are having strained bonds. That's why this structure, cyclopropane structure, quite unstable due to presence of angle strain or Bayer strain. We say that Bayer strain because there is a deviation in between angle of a internal angle of a cyclopropane chain and tetrahedral angle. They're having deviation. So there are some different type of criteria where we can check which molecule is stable and which is unstable. So there is a Bayer strain. We have already discussed Bayer strain angle deviation. Okay, Bayer strain, we check the angle deviations of any molecule. And torsional strain, which is also called Pitzer strain, is caused by repulsion of bonding electrons of one substituent with a bonding electron of another substituent on adjacent carbon. We already discussed this point at the time of ethane staggered and eclipse conformation. Eclipse is a very unstable. Why? Because there is a electron repulsion is there, and staggered is a much stable because there is a no electron repulsion. So that electron repulsion is called as a torsional strain, and because of the strain, molecule also got unstable. And then another is a steric strain. This is steric strain, which is also called as a van der Waals strain. This is caused due to by atom or a group approaching each other too closely. Is our molecule actual so this steric strain what is that? Steric strain or van der Waals strain we will discuss at the time of conformation checking in cyclohexane. Okay, now you understand angle strain and torsional strain. Steric strain we will discuss at the cyclohexane.